All right, welcome back to Quark's Python lessons. We're continuing with the Hangman. So all our gameplay right here, pretty much most of this, we're going to put it into a function and we're going to call it core gameplay. So we're going to print guess a single character of the secret word. All right, then we're going to take the input, do all our coding stuff. But here, we're going to do something a little different. I think I talked about it. So if the correct letter is already in there, then it's going to tell you, hey, it's already in there. Otherwise, it's gonna do one thing first. It's going to check how many times the letter that you guessed is in the secret word. So like say it's call, right? So LL, it's twice in there. If repeat is greater than 1, so it's 2, then count is going to be initialized to 0. While count is less than repeat, we're going to add that letter that you guessed correctly into the correct letters list and increase the counter so that the correct amount of letters are there. And that way you won't get that issue where, like, let's say the secret word is call and you guess the correct one of the correct letters, which is L. It'll display the L's, but like it will only have one L in the correct letters list, and so you'll never actually win, even though you should. So yeah. Then let's say if it is repeated, if it's more than one, then it appends them in there, and then returns. If it's not more than one, then if it's just one, right, we just like append the correct letter into the correct letters list. So let's do that. Let's reinitialize this, and then we're going to add our function right here, right? Let's do something here, some testing, so we can see if we can get that call, and I can demonstrate that for you. So name, so let's just a.m.e. Okay, cool. Got that. Let's keep on playing, but F O O. Let's do it one more time. Otherwise, we're gonna go. We're just gonna actually like be like, hey, this is the secret word. So B-U-T, but. All right. So let's just be like, hey, the secret word is call. All right. So C L, so it shows both. Then if we press A, if we coded this correctly, we win the game. And yeah, we won. Let's change this again. Control save. Let's get this out the way here. That's just for testing. Same thing for this. Okay. And let's see. We're gonna finally add the, if it's game over, we want to play again. Okay. So let's see. Print, would you like to play again? Play choice equals input. We're gonna just give them two options, which is 1, play, 2, stop. If play equals 1, return. We're gonna break out that loop. So no, if play equals 1, oh no, we're gonna return. So we're gonna go back to here, and we're just gonna return. If we press hey play again, we're just breaking out. So this loop that's right here would just stop. All right, and then it would also tell us thank you for playing, play is false, and then return play. So good. Okay, so now let's add all that together. We're going to initialize play right from the beginning, And we're going to be like, okay, while play is true, play your game. Once you win or lose, we're going to ask you through this function if you want to play or not. So let's do that. And let's make this easy for us. Yeah, okay. Let's win. Play again, it's not defined. Okay, but we did get over it. Thank you for playing. Play again. Oh, we did not do that. Okay. Let's do this again. And you see that bugginess where we don't even see anything until we like press anything. Oh, this we were also testing for whatever we put in there. So N M A. Alright. Okay, so 1 to continue playing or 2 to stop. We're gonna stop and it's gonna break us out of that while loop. And then okay, thanks for playing, and that's it. Let's lose and see if that play again is working. So is, and we're gonna put Q. So if we keep pulling Q, it's just gonna be like no, like just put a correct value or another incorrect value. Okay, game lost. Would you like to play again? No, I do not want to play again. So press 2, and then thanks for playing, and that's it. Let's do another. Let's go through the flow again. I think this time we wanna win, but we do want to play again. So we're gonna put 1, and so that looping is working. Right. So M. Y. Cool, we won. Would you like to play again? Yes. So then, what's going on? Something broke. No. So once we put this play again, which returns play to us. We would just return, so it would keep looping back. Something went wrong there. All right, we'll figure it out. But I think I did. But let's go to that solution right now. All right, so we pasted everything into our Hangman Pi, and we put our global variables right at the top here. We again don't really need the spammer thing, so you can just do that. So just play true for the first loop and then alive for the second loop. Let's see, then we're gonna define our Hangman function, which is just gonna return a list, our list of Hangman states. Generate secret word, initialize. Again, we can literally just take this out and be like equals this, comma this. We can get rid of this function. Like, yeah, let's just get rid of this function. Okay, because we do not need that. That is just unnecessary. Where is that function? Okay. There, perfect. Then we would do our display a secret word function, our display Hangman function, then our core gameplay. All right, so input, check if there's more than one of that letter in there, make sure it's properly put in there. Then again, if it's not in there, if that incorrect has already been guessed, just say, hey, it's already in there, please loop again and try again. Otherwise, if it hasn't been guessed but it's incorrect, then add it to that incorrect list. Then we're going to do our function for play again. It's pretty much the same as last one. And I think it's the whole where we put our global variables that might be messing with it. So that's why I put them up here. Right, and then this is the start of our program. We're putting everything here, and should be good. All right. Core gameplay, core gameplay, dev core gameplay. Okay. Oh, we gotta get rid of this. So it messed things up. Okay. Control save. And then play. So the game is, the secret letter is over, just so we can test this out. So O, V, E, R. We're gonna play again. So if this works, it does not work. It kicks us out, and that should not be it. So play again equals this. So it's definitely this function that's wrong. Let's do some troubleshooting. Let's see. Print play. So we should check what happens right here. All right. Then we should print right here and then play. Just see what it is before, and then afterwards, maybe there's like a scope issue. Okay. S M I T. Okay. Then one, it should call this function. Would you like to play again? Yeah. So we press 1. Okay, so local variable play reference before assignment. That's the issue. So but it's assigned up here, so that shouldn't be an issue. Why are we getting that problem? Let's do some troubleshooting here. Oh. Play. Okay, we would like to play again. We lost. Yeah, it's the local variable reference before assignment. It's a local variable, so we define true. See, oh, okay. Play, because we're getting play as a global variable. And then over here, play as a global variable, and that should fix it, hopefully. If not, I'll have to do another edit for this video. True, okay. So if it's true, yeah, if play is true right here, then why are we getting that issue? Maybe it's because, oh, because now it's not true, we're returning empty. Maybe that'll work. Okay. James. Okay, yeah, that was the issue. So we were not passing in the argument from the global variable play into it, so it's like, hey, we initialized the play in the local and the local function, and so we got that error. All right, so that's pretty much it. That's all the code we need. Actually, go back here. Put play. Okay, cool. Let's get rid of this because we don't need that anymore. Okay. And it's all working now. Okay, now we're done. All right, sorry about that. Hopefully the troubleshooting gave you a reminder. Watch out for scope issues. If there's a global variable that you need to mess with, don't recreate it by accident in the local part of the function. Pass it in as an argument and then make any of the changes you need within here locally, but it affects things globally, so you're good. All right, so next time, hope that helps.